Welcome to Product Critique,
your ultimate guide to the best products on the market.
Today, we're diving into a fun and colorful addition to any child's playtime:
the 2-pack toy color hoop for kids. These adjustable and detachable hula hoops are not just toys but tools for creativity and physical activity.
They come in a vibrant set of 16 detachable sections in colors like rose red, green, blue, and yellow, making them eye-catching and engaging for children of all ages. The hoops are designed with snap-together sections, allowing for easy assembly and adjustment.
Whether you're setting it up for a younger child or an older one, it adapts perfectly. Beyond just playtime, these hoops serve multiple purposes. They can be used for parties, events, gymnastics, and even dog agility training, thanks to their lightweight yet durable construction.
Each hoop is hollow, allowing for customization of weight by adding sand or stuffing.
This feature ensures they can grow with your child's skill level and physical development. Made from high-quality plastic, these hoops are built to withstand energetic play and rough handling. They're designed not only for fun but also for long-lasting use, making them a great investment in your child's recreation. In conclusion, the 2-pack toy color hoop for kids is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to active play and creative expression.
Whether indoors or outdoors, these hoops promise endless fun and engagement for children of all ages.
Get yours today and watch your child's imagination and physical skills soar.
Thank you for watching Product Critique.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the best products available.
Until next time, happy hooping!